Kids. Now we are going to learn about principles of federal finance. What are the principles of federal finance? We'll see the principles of independence, equity, uniformity, adequacy, fiscal access, integration and coordination, efficiency, administrative economy, and accountability. Okay, we will see what is the meaning of the principles of independence in the finance level. In the finance system it will be different. Under the system of federal finance, a government should be autonomous. Autonomous means the government them should be the take the any initiative. Okay, and also the financial matters everything it will be concerned with the government itself. And the free about the internal financial matters concerned. What I said same thing. Okay, that means the the financial matters everything they themselves only should decide there. And it is autonomous. They can able to take any decisions. The government is having the right to take any decision regarding the finance. It means each government should have separate source of revenue, authority to lay taxes. That means they should have the authority. Authority means they should have the right to lay the taxes, to borrow money and to meet the expenditure. The government should normally enjoy autonomy in fiscal matters. Not only our government, all over the world, each and every government they are enjoying the autonomy in the fiscal matters, financial matters. Next, principles of equity. Already we know equity means equal before law. That only we know as a constitution, through the constitution. But here we are going to learn about the financial. Here, from the point of view of equity, the resources should be distributed among the different states so that each state receives a fair share of revenue. But it is not in our country, it's not happening there, because eastern states they are not getting that much money from the central government which the other states are getting there. Next, principle of uniformity. In a federal system, each state should contribute equal tax payments for federal finance. But this principle cannot be followed in practice because the taxable capacity of each unit is not of the same. That we know, isn't it? Each person is not paying the same amount of the what is the tax. According to their income alone, they are paying the tax. Next, principles of adequacy of resources. How the resources we are utilizing them. The principles of adequacy, that the resource of each government, that means central and the state, should be adequate to carry out its function effectively. That means resources, if they are having means they are free to handle that resources. Okay, if they are free in that means they are giving they are getting the independence to use that resources alone, they can be able to function effectively. Here adequacy must be decided with reference to both current as well as future needs. That means for the sustainable development, already I told about the sustainable development. That means sustainable development for future needs also we should keep the resources. We should maintain the resources. That we should keep it in our mind when we are taking that resources to fulfill our needs. The resources should be elastic in order to meet the growing needs and unforeseen expenditure like war, floods, etc. That means we should for the growing purpose, that means for the industrial growing, everything we are saying, and also the infrastructure growing, everything. For everything we need the resources, as well as we need the resources for what purpose. Unfortunately, what are the things we are facing there? For example, I will say about the natural calamities, and now in COVID-19 we are attacked, isn't people are attacked by COVID-19. Like that type of the time also we should bear that one. For that we need the money, isn't it? For that we need the money. That means the resources we need. That resources we should safeguard. Principles of fiscal access. In a federal system, there should be possibility for the central and state governments to develop new source of revenue. Within their prescribed fields to to meet the growing financial needs. That means what the news, how you may get the news source. News source, how we will get if we are launching the new industry, otherwise we are launching the new business, like that alone we can able to get the news source, isn't it? That means for that getting that news source, otherwise we may say about the news source as raising the taxes and laying the taxes on any product. Okay, that means before that it may be not there, that product it may be not containing any tax, but they after that to meet the financial crisis we may lay that means the government may lay any tax, new tax. Okay, new for that new product that may laid any tax, that also will increase the what is that one revenue, isn't it? That means that is we are saying as a news source alone, that tax and all. In nutshell, the resources should grow with the increase in the responsibilities of the government. If the resources we want to grow in our government, means who is the responsible there? Central and state government alone. Principle of integration and coordination. There should be the integration in between the central and state level, as well as inside the state level with the local bodies, municipalities, corporations. For every for in between them there should be the cooperation and integration should be there. Okay, here we will see what they given. The financial system as a whole should be well integrated. There should be perfect coordination among different layers of the financial system of the country. That only I said. Different layer only, central level, state level and local level. Then only the federal system will survive. This should be done in such a way to promote the overall economic development of the country. Next, principles of efficiency. The financial system should be well organized and efficiently administered. Okay, efficiently administered. Whatever it may be there, we are having the money, but it is not properly organized or not efficiently we are doing any work with that money, means there is no use of having the money at all. There should be no scope for evasion and fraud. Evasion means not paying the tax. That means what? We are lacking. That means we are avoiding something. Okay, that is called as evasion. And fraud, that should not be there. No one should be taxed more than once in a year. Double taxation should be avoided. To avoid the double taxation only, they brought the GST also. Principles of administrative economy. Okay, what are the principles of administrative economy? The cost of collection should be at the minimum level and the major portion of revenue should be made available for the other expenditure outlays of the governments. That means the economy, in the economy there it is the important criteria of any federal financial system, isn't it? So any federal financial system, what we should do there, the cost of collection, it should be there at the minimum level and the major portion of revenue, major portion means so much of the portion of the revenue should be made available for the other expenditure. For the other expenditure, not only for only any single part we should do any expenditure. For all the expenditure we need the money. For that, how we may collect there? Only in the minimum level, only in the minimum level alone we can able to collect. Next, principles of accountability. Each government should be accountable to its own legislator for its financial decisions. That is central to the parliament and the state to the assembly. Already I told about the budget, isn't it? If any person, that means the financial minister, when he is going to read out the budget, first where you should read out there in the parliament alone, isn't it? Before that, before reading out in the parliament, you should get the sign from the president, and the money bills, it should be passed by the Lok Sabha. After that, everything completion, all the work it after completing alone, you will read out in the parliament about the budget.